How are we doing, guys? Moving on to the next detail for Tan Gun. It goes alongside the previous video, which was about footwork in the middle of Tan Gun. So this is for the hand technique that goes with it. Okay, so we're at the halfway point of Tan Gun. We know this. When we are here, the footwork we talked about in the last video was left foot, go to your left with your left, follow your left heel, turn left, 370-degree turn into back stance. The hand technique that goes with it from this punch goes right hand down, left hand on top, long turn like I've just done, left hand in front. Okay. The detail for the handwork is how the hands fold and how it changes on each side. Okay, so when we get to here, we're in our punch, we're at the halfway point, we go punch, drops, left sits on top because my left hand, the one that is closest to me, okay, will become my front hand on the way out. My back hand raises high. Okay, this is quite similar to how knife blocks work. This is quite similar to how the beginning of Do-San works in how your hands form their techniques. Okay, so when you fold for the beginning, what becomes my front hand is closest to me. Okay. When I'm here and I do this fold here, the hand that becomes my front hand is closest to me. Yeah? When we do Do-San next, the hand that's closest to me becomes my front hand. Okay? So, this is the detail. When we get to here, we know the punch. We go drop, left hand on top, left hand in front. Then I'll go into my punch. However, right hand then goes on top, big turn with my right hand in front, then into punch. Okay, so the hand that is on top, okay, is the one that will come out to be in front of me. It matches the leg. Okay, so if you can remember one detail or the other, it tells you which hand you should be using. We get quite a few people that go spin, get the feet right, and have the wrong hand. They try and do that. Yeah, and it's very awkward and crooked. Okay, or they try and spin the wrong way. Okay, everything must follow one another. Okay, so from my punch, I'm going to go drop, left on top, left foot moves, left hand in front, right hand high, into punch, right hand on top, right foot moves, right hand in front, into punch. Okay, but that hand that's on top at the point of fold, yeah, if it's on top of the stack, that becomes my front hand. Okay, and like I say, same for the beginning of the pattern. For your double knife hand block, the one that's closest to me becomes my front hand. Okay, important detail, it is congruent through most of the syllabus. There are very few occasions where it is not the case. Okay, so most of the time, if you can remember that, yeah, keep that in the back of your head. If it's closest to me, it is going to become my front hand. It's close to me, becomes my front hand. Close to me, becomes my front hand. Okay? Even middle block for Chonji is the same. It's under my armpit. It's closest to me. Becomes middle block. Beginning of Chonji. Closest to me. Becomes my down block. That's how the fold system kind of works most of the time. Okay, thank you very much. Keep practicing.